Minor tune-up of Mio Amore model 2006 converted to Mio Sporty 160cc stock head. Gently remove the intake tappet cover. Remove the exhaust tappet cover. Remove also the camshaft sprocket cover. Find the TDC or top dead center. Don't forget to align the eye mark on the AC magnetorotor with stationary pointer on the crankcase. Align also the eye mark in the camshaft sprocket with the stationary pointer on the cylinder head. If the valve clearance is out of specification, adjust it. My valve clearance, intake 0.004, exhaust 0.005, because I prepared this measurement for 160cc Block 59 stock head. Don't forget to clean the spark plug and also check the gap. Shout out to the owner of Junjun Vlogs PMT Aramco, Mr. Junjun Steliore, Joseph De Luna, Safety Joseph De Luna, Andy Tabukol, Napoleon Calmateo, Merlon Batoy, Ferdy, Giovanni. Shout out to all of you. Start engine, one click only. Thank you for watching.